In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a ConvertKit landing page. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Customizing landing pages can be a game changer for your online presence, whether you're collecting emails for a newsletter or promoting a new product. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your ConvertKit account. If you don't have one yet, it's super easy to sign up. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard. You'll see a menu on the left. Click on the Landing Pages option. This is where all the magic happens. Here you can either choose to edit an existing landing page or create a new one from scratch. For our purposes today, let's create a new landing page. After you click on the Create New button, you'll see various templates available for you to choose from. Take a moment to browse through them and find one that closely matches your aesthetic or the goal of your landing page. Once you've found a template you like, click on it to start customizing. Now, the first thing you'll notice is the default text and images that are populated in the template. Let's start with the header. Click on the text box where it says your headline here, and type in your catchy headline that grabs attention. This should reflect the value you're offering to visitors. Perhaps you're offering a free resource, like an ebook or a guide. Make sure your headline clearly communicates that. Once you've typed in your headline, you can also tweak the font style, size, and color. Look for the text editing options on the right-hand side to have that perfect look. Don't shy away from experimenting a little with the design until you find what feels right. Next, let's move on to the supporting text area. Here, you can give a brief description of what visitors will gain by signing up. Keep it concise but persuasive. Remember, your goal is to motivate them to take action. Highlight the benefits they'll get and perhaps throw in a little social proof if available. You might say something like, "Join over 500 subscribers who have already benefited from this free resource." It adds credibility and encourages them to believe they're making a good decision. Now, let's talk about images. The right visuals can make a significant difference in your landing page's appeal. Click on the existing image in the template, and you'll have the option to replace it. Upload an image that resonates with your branding or the content you're promoting. This could be a cover photo of your ebook or an eye-catching illustration. Aligning your visuals with your content can help create a cohesive look and feel for your page. So far, we have customized the headline, the supporting text, and added an engaging image. Now let's focus on the call to action button. This is crucial because it's where the magic happens, where you convert your visitors into subscribers. You'll see a button that typically says subscribe or get this offer. Click on it and type in a more enticing call to action, something like download now or join us today. Again, you have options to customize the button's color and size. Make sure it stands out. After all, you want it to be the focal point of your landing page. Once you're satisfied with your landing page, it's time to preview it. Look for the Preview button to see how it will appear to visitors. Make note of any further adjustments you'd like to make. Fix any typos and ensure everything looks polished. This is your chance to create a fantastic first impression. After everything has been adjusted to your liking, it's time to publish your landing page. Click the Publish button. You'll be provided with a link, which you can share on social media, email, or anywhere else you'd like to drive traffic from. Don't forget to double-check the link and see if everything is in working order from a visitor's perspective. And that's it. You've successfully customized your ConvertKit landing page. Remember, this page is often your first interaction with potential subscribers, so make it count. Don't hesitate to revisit and tweak elements over time based on performance or feedback. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more content like this. Happy landing